that is full of what you like doing, than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey, come on, yeah. I don't want the fame, cause I don't want a two-step with me, come on. Two-step with me, come on. You would tell actually 1, 2, 3, talk to me. Man, I come to this game, man, to change your brain. Man, I come to...
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a minute since I've filmed a makeup tutorial video. I know, I do apologize, but at least I came back for Halloween. So what we are doing Jack the Skeleton for this first Halloween look. I've already blocked out my brows, and I do have a video on how I block, well, it's not how I block out my brows, but I did the same technique in one of my Halloween videos last year, so definitely go check out those videos. But we are just starting off with sketching out the facial structure of Jack the Skeleton. I'm going in with a white eyeliner pencil and just sketching out his facial structure. This part is kind of self-explanatory, and I was going back and forth with a reference picture, so you're really just going to have to watch this part to see where everything is supposed to go. So I think drawing the neck was probably the hardest part to do because I wasn't dragging it down like under my chin. I was trying to connect it from my chin to the neck. So if it looks a little wonky, I'll fix it later. And then the chest piece was so hard, y'all. Drawing the suit, I kid you not, this look took me about like 6 to 7 hours to do. So, and the suit was the hardest part. So I'm going to try to explain this to the best of my ability. So basically for the suit, I'm drawing his chest part. This is, I guess, an upside down teardrop without the point. And then on the neck, I am drawing the cat tie that he has, the infamous cat tie. And extending from there, we are drawing the bat wings. And then from there, we are actually doing the suit. So it will probably be easier if you just watch this part because clearly I'm having a hard time explaining how this goes. So, yeah. So I do apologize. My camera did cut off as I was drawing or finishing the suit. So I just finished the bat wings. You're basically just doing 2 bat wings on each side, and this is basically what it looks like. So yeah. Going in with a water-based face paint, I'm using the Snazaroo face paint. I'm just painting all the areas that would be white. So on the face, the neck, and the chest, I'll get to those parts later. If you're of a darker skin tone, you are going to have to do different layers. So I probably have to do like 4 different layers of this paint to get it as white as I needed it to be, and just let it dry in between. So going in with the black face paint by the same company, I am just filling in all the areas where there needs to be black paint. So on the eyes, on the nostrils where I drew those 2 lines on top of the nose, and then his facial expressions will also be black, but I will get to that in the later clips. So drawing his facial expressions, we're just going to draw a curvature line extending from the eye, and then a curvature line as he would kind of make the frowny face of like the eyebrows. Honestly, just watch this part to see where I place all the expressions. But after, I do go in and shade everything so it can give it a little bit more depth. And I just go in with the black eyeshadow for that. For the nose, I will say the nose was probably like hard to do as well. You wouldn't think it would be, but I honestly wish I would have placed the nose lower, because as you can see, my nose is a little bit wider and extends longer. So I wish I would have put the nose lower. So just a heads up there. So we're going to work on the mouth. So for the mouth, I did block out my lips, and then we are doing the normal skeleton mouth, extending 2 lines from the end of my lips, and then curving the stitches inward so that it looks like the stitches are kind of in my skin, if that makes sense. I don't know if they're stitches, but you know, the normal Jack the Skeleton mouth. I did paint the center of my lips black to give it a little bit more depth, and then I shaded on top of each stitch. Okay, so now we're getting into the hardest part of the video. So as you can see, I did paint around my body black to block out those areas, and then painted the suit black as well, and then the chest piece white. So for this part, we're going to do the stripes. So for the stripes, it's kind of self-explanatory. You're gonna, kind of how you did the stitches, draw the stripes as a curvature so that it gives it a little bit more of like the ribs of a skeleton effect. I didn't show the part where I did the pinstripes because my camera died once again. My camera died like 4 times during this video. So as you can see with the pinstripes, it's almost like ribs on an actual skeleton. That's how you want to draw the lines. I did go in and added some depth to the actual chest, the white part, so that it looked like the suit had some type of shadow going on. And then I'm going on the other side, I'm going to show you how I finished the back. So for the back, I did outline the back first in white. It's like a light gray paint. I just mixed the black and white paints together, and now I'm just going in and painting the wings black, as you can see, and then I'm going to start doing the stripes. The stripes are just kind of simple. You can literally go straight across. They won't be like the suit stripes, because you actually want to have some depth with the suit stripes and make them have a curvature. This, you can just draw the line straight out, or however you like it to give it a, you know, more raggedy or rugged effect. So the light gray paint actually helps the suit stand out, because black on black, everything would have got lost in the black paint. So make sure you outline everything in the light gray paint. Also, I did go in and outline the chest part in black. I don't know if you can see that line going down on my chest. I did try to outline everything in black just to give it a little bit more depth. But y'all, that is the end of this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, join the B.O.M.B Squad, because we are the realest squad on the internet. Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box below. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.